Today we have a 1969 RoadRunner Hemi convertible 4-speed. We sold this car 3 times, partially restored, and now it is totally restored. It was rotisserie restored, a 2-year process, nut and bolt. And this one's correct all the way through. This one has a date code correct 426 Hemi engine. It was born with a 383, but as you see it, the call outs are correct, the white stripe is correct from the fender tag, and the crushed vinyl top is also correct. This one has a factory 4-speed with a Dana 60 rear end, Moser axles. And it's not every day that you get front page of Mopar Action magazine and 4 pages in the magazine. That's a feather in the cap on this car here. And this one, after restoration, has only 20 miles on it, and it has been sorted out. After rebuilding, restoring a car, you need to go through the process of checking everything out again. This one went to a professional Hemi restoration shop after the fact. Gentleman who's been in business 40 plus years. We rely heavily on him, and he went through and checked everything out. This one is tweaked now and ready to go. Give us a call anytime at A&B Classics, 855-483-8025. A&B Classics, where classic cars find new homes.